Hello, welcome ladies and gentlemen. It's PDG the mic. Welcome you to my channel. So a lot of people are coming to me and saying, well, we do appreciate what you're doing there, but it's too late for some of us to begin, or people just discouraged, but let me tell you, that is first thing I have to make sure, so the most important thing, sound, you just have to follow the stages of learning. So to those usati wakatombodini zvavo vanonge vachiona video zvichiti hatina pekutangira, vamwe vatori nemagitari mudzimba dzavo, they have their instruments but they can't play those. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna have 5 videos of this rhythm. We're gonna build it up until it's a better rhythm for a beginner to play. So I'm not gonna give you any note names or anything like that. What we need to know is just 1, 4 and 5. You just need to know that. Let's just those numbers only. So let's start here with fret number 9. We're gonna use 2 fingers for now. Alright, so we're gonna place our middle finger on fret number 9, and then index finger on fret number 8. Right, so let me just play the tune so that you are familiar with what we are working with. So it's like, right, simple. So in the roll this tune, I think from a grade 5, but that's because magari takazoenderera mberi nanhasi tiri kuenda ndocho rwakarebesa. But I played this tune. I'll never forget it. Even when I grew now, I do often saw this tune, including my young brother. But I take my guitar now. So it's like this. Hold it like that, right, and go. It's gonna be down, up, down on those 2 strings. Right? Now we need to change the formation of our fingers. When they come here, this is 1, right? This is 1. We come here, this is now 4. So we place our middle finger here. That's fret number 6. Then on fret number 5, string number 3, middle finger, fret number 6, string number 2. Then index finger, string number 3, fret number 5. So it's from here, we go to down, up, down, up. So that's 4, right? Go back to 1. Then go to 5. That's what you need to get for now. Only that. 1, 4, 1, 5. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 4. 1, 5. Right? My numbers are kosha. So we can go like 1, 5, 4. Into 5. 1, 5, 4. So in the next video, we're gonna add the 3rd string, whilst we're building our shape. Because the most important thing is just the shapes that we move around with until we get to a stage where we ignore those shapes, we just follow the notes we want. See you in the next video. Peace. Speedy on the mic.